Hey there guys, welcome back to another video. So today we'll be taking a look at the Oclu 4K Action Camera, and this camera has a unique design compared to most action cameras in the market. The camera comes well packaged, and the first thing in the box is the user manual detailing all its features. They also threw in some stickers, which is pretty cool. The camera comes inside a nice hard shell carrying case to keep the camera protected on the go. Inside the case is a magnetic USB charger. There's also a mounting plate that you can put on the camera to attach various accessories. There are a ton of accessories you can buy, and I will go over a few in a bit. It also comes with a rechargeable 1000 mAh battery that will give you about 1 hour of 4K recording. So the camera comes inside this cool carrying sleeve that has a nice touch of green. I really like that green. The Oclu's unique design helps it stand out from the rest. It has a compact design and a rubberized finish on the side for some drop protection. However, the lens does stick out a little. I would have loved to see a slightly larger lip around the lens just for a peace of mind. Now going over a few controls of the camera, the viewfinder is placed on top, and below the display is the action button, which also powers on and off the camera when you hold it down for 3 seconds. On the left is the navigation button when you're in the menu. When you're not in the menu, the bottom one quickly switches between your modes and you can customize each mode, and I find it very useful. I have mine to toggle between the live cut. I have it at 1080p at 60 frames per second and stabilized. My next one is 4K at 30 frames per second. The next one is photo, and my last one is time lapse. If you press and hold the top one, it will take you to playback, and you can review your footage and photos there. The action camera has a built-in speaker on the right side, so you can also listen to the audio. Moving on the right side of the display is the viewfinder button, and if you press down and hold on it, it will turn on Wi-Fi. So that way you can quickly connect to your phone. The Oclu Action Camera has an app that gives you remote control over your camera, which is nice. And this allows you to view your footage. You can change your settings on the fly in case you have this mounted on your dashboard or somewhere you don't want to remove it to change it. The app has been working well, but there has been times where it has disconnected. I'm sure with a couple of updates it can get better. This is really helpful, and I always enjoy being able to control my cameras through an app, just like I do with my Panasonic G85, which I'm using right now. The dedicated buttons make it easy to interact with the camera while wearing gloves or using it underwater, so I don't mind it not having a touchscreen at all. On the back here you will find the magnetic charging ring, and the magnetic connection is pretty strong, so you don't have to worry about it falling off. The awesome part about this is that you can recharge the battery without taking it out of the camera. Charging and data transfer is very convenient, just snap it on and you're set. I really love this implementation. I can easily put it to charge when I'm not using it with the power bank. I just let it magnetically connect to a power bank and put it in my pocket and be on my way. I've really been enjoying this. Right next to that you will find the battery compartment, and inside here is also the micro SD card slot, and it can take up to a 128GB SD card. I recommend using a UHS U3 memory card for the best performance. On the front it has a 12 megapixel sensor with an f2.0 aperture and a 150-degree field of view. The video quality goes up to 4K at 30 frames per second. This action camera can also record in 1080p at 120 frames per second, and with these settings you will get less motion blur, which is great for when you want to film fast moving subjects. It also comes with electronic image stabilization when you're recording in 1080p at 30 frames per second and 60 frames per second respectively, which will give you some very smooth footage. So here's a quick comparison sample with and without image stabilization. battery percentage, the resolution, how long you have left of recording, and the LED indicator the flash is red when it's recording. And this is really helpful when you're recording yourself. You got all the information at a glance. Before I forget, here's an audio sample from the Action Camera's internal set of microphones.
Alright guys, I'm gonna give you guys a close-up of this donkey. First, let's go check out the donkey. Hey there, guy. This is a quick audio test of the internal microphone of the Oclu 4K Action Camera. So this is after the firmware update 3.41, I believe. So hopefully the microphone quality improved over there, because before the audio quality of the microphone wasn't that great. So I'm hoping to see some improvement from there. And sorry, I'm kind of out of breath because I've been running uphill for quite a few minutes. So yeah, also I'm feeling a little bit of rain dropping, so I gotta get out of here soon before I catch some hard rain. So my camera will be okay because it's water resistant, but I won't. I'm most likely gonna get sick. So yeah, so that was just a quick audio sample from the internal microphone.
So there you have it. So that's the audio quality you will get with this Action Camera. Something unique about this Action Camera is that it has a 1/4 20mm tripod thread mount built into the bottom of the camera, which makes it simple to put onto a tripod. The Action Camera has an IPX7 rating, so it's water resistant to a depth of 1 meter for up to 30 minutes, but can go down to a depth of 50 meters with the additional OC shell. And this is great for deep underwater diving and makes it ideal for high impact sports. So moving on, Oclu offers a couple accessory bundles with a good discount on it, but you can also get each item individually. They sent me over the Adventure bundle, and it comes with a chest strap called the OCU, and this gives you a first person point of view. It is easy to put on and take off, and it's very comfortable. The other item it comes with is the OC grip, which is a bright green, and this makes it easy to spot in the water and will keep the camera floating. It also has a wrist strap to secure it to your wrist. It also comes with what they call an OC view, and this here is an extendable grip mount. You can get some vlogging type style of video with this or use it as a selfie stick. It has a nice build quality with a rubberized grip and an aluminum body. I like how they added their logo to this part here. That's a nice touch. It comes with the OC wrap, which is perfect to put on the frame of your bike or anything with a round bar. So besides that, it also comes with a couple of OC bonds, which are just adhesive mounts. They are great to place on a motorcycle helmet or the side of a car for some cool footage. You can get this bundle with a $48 discount, and I'll leave the link in the description. So overall, I like the design of the Oclu camera and its features. I would highly recommend it if you're in the market for a good 4K action camera that is quite affordable. Alright guys, so that concludes today's review. Thank you all for watching. Leave a like if you found the video helpful. Subscribe for more tech related videos, and I will talk to you on the next one.